Hello everyone, in this video I shall be talking about Read Aloud. Read Aloud is one of the most important tasks in PTE. Read Aloud contributes both in reading and speaking, so it is very important. So in this video I shall tell you how to perform this task and score a good mark in PTE Read Aloud. So in your exam you might have to deal with 6 to 7 read alouds and you are marked on the basis of content, fluency and pronunciation. Content means you have to cover all the given words correctly, read all the given words correctly and don't miss any words. Fluency plays a very crucial role here. Read all the given words as exactly as possible and maintain the rhythm of your sound. Fluency means you should not go too fast nor too slow. You should maintain your rhythm. Read the given sentence just the way you speak. Don't fumble, don't hesitate. Take small and minor pauses after full stop and commas. Pronunciation means pronounce all the given words correctly. Content contributes marks in reading, whereas fluency contributes in speaking. So I'll show you an example. Suppose this is your read aloud and you will get 35 seconds for preparation. Utilize the preparation time wisely. Figure out which words are difficult to pronounce. Try to pronounce at least once, but if you couldn't succeed, you can skip that word. But don't break the fluency. Fluency plays very important role here. This course provides an introduction to the history and development of the British legal system. Its aim is to describe the evolution of the common law of England, the legal system of England, and to introduce you to the study of constitutions as law and to the legal aspects of constitutional systems of government. AI of the real exam is completely different from the website. Summary: fluency plays a major role here. Maintain fluency. Don't read too fast or too slow. Take small pause after full stop, not more than 1.5 seconds. Remember, your microphone will automatically turn off after 3 seconds, so don't take long pauses. If you find any word difficult to pronounce, you can skip it, but don't skip more than 3 to 4 words. Do not try to read if you can't pronounce it. Don't panic. If you mispronounce any word, don't try to correct it. Just go with the flow. Utilize your preparation time wisely.